Looking at my screen right now, you're going to see that I've been able to do over 8 million views in the last 28 days right here on my on one of my Facebook pages. And you're going to see that I have over 4.5 million reach right here, July 31st to August 25 right here. So in today's video, I want to talk about how you can actually use ChatGPT to increase your reach. And you know that once you increase your reach on Facebook and you get more views, it equals to more money, right? So today I have a particular method that I want to show you on how you can do that. This is something that can help you grow your Facebook page in 2025. See me for the first time, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Solid Pictures TV. Here I talk about different side hustles that can try right here and make money online for yourself. So if you want to be getting more updates from me, do want to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates coming your way, guys. And don't forget to comment where you're watching from in the comment section. I will really appreciate you guys. I will really appreciate you if you can just do that for me. Thank you very much. And for all my community members, thank you very much for joining our community. And if you have not joined our community, make sure you join the family. All right, guys, so I am not saying that I am a professional Facebook analyst or a professional Facebook analysis that can help you analyze your Facebook page and make you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. No, I am a complete beginner, just like every one of you that decided to click on this video to see what is actually happening here. But the thing is that I have grown 2 or 3 Facebook pages in less than 6 months. So I just feel like, okay, I have 1 or 2 things to share for people that are also beginning, because me, I am a beginner. If you are a beginner or you just start creating content on Facebook and you want to grow your page, I think you can join me so that we can learn together, we share our experiences, and we grow our pages together. I'm going to show you some of my best performing posts on Facebook, and I'm going to show you how much those posts have bring so far, and if views equals to money on Facebook. And I'm also going to show you a new method I actually learned right here to grow your Facebook page. All you need is ChatGPT and your Facebook app. So let's get started. As you all know, recently Facebook brought monetization to Nigeria and a lot of people started going into content creation. But the most frustrating part is when you create content for 30 days, your Facebook page is not growing, nothing is happening. Well, sometimes it's not your fault because it might be the system, but sometimes it means that you have to fix 1 or 2 things, or sometimes it means that the content format you're putting is not what works for your niche. If I click on Reels right here, you're going to see that my Reels right here just gave me just 16,000 views. My video have 16 hours and 13 minutes of watch time and just 76 interactions. I can't do more with this particular reach right here. It won't give me anything, right? I tried photos, I tried different things, and I try stories. So let's check out my stories. My stories have done over 12,000 views in the last 28 days and over 1,900 reach right here in the last 28 days and over 156 interactions, which is pretty cool, right? If I come over here and click on post, you can see my post gave me 8 million views and 112,000 interactions and a lot of other active data right here. My posts are giving me more results more than the videos I'm posting or the reels I'm posting. I focus more on my posts and my stories. Here is another page that I use that same experiment and it actually worked out. You can see that on this other page right here, I also have over 297,000 views. So I focus on my strengths more than my weakness. Now, the first thing is for you to download and install ChatGPT if you don't already have one already, and for those of you that don't have. And secondly, this particular method is good if you use Pro. If you don't have money to do Pro, you can still go for the free version. Some people that don't enjoy ChatGPT because it keep giving them different things. The way ChatGPT write, you know that this is an AI. If you customize your ChatGPT, it's going to actually help you. If you want to get the prompt, make sure you join my Telegram channel or join me on Cirrden. So I'm going to drop the prompt right there for you in my Telegram community. Do want to join, link in the description. You can copy the prompt and paste it here. This prompt is going to help you fix your ChatGPT, the way it's going to respond, make it more friendly, more humanized, more human friendly, and so on. So that's the first thing you have to do. If you're using ChatGPT Pro, ChatGPT can actually schedule posts for you every single day. Every day is going to drop new posts. But if you're not using ChatGPT Pro, you're using the free version, you have to come here and do it manually every single day, right? Comment video in the comment section. Then I'm going to drop the video for you on my Cirrden account on how I can actually train it. Say today's thread focus on AI monetization side hustles with more intriguing explanation and title. You can see different details each for the comment section. So it gave me something right here. Say unlock dollar income. 6 AI side hustles Nigerians use now. What I need to do right is for me to come here and copy this title. I'm not used to doing that with my computer, so let me use my phone because this is more easier for me, right? I'm not used to doing that. There are people that are actually faster with that, but I'm not, right? So I'm just going to copy the first text. I'm going to come down here and put it. So let me come here and paste the text right here. Dollar income. 6 AI side hustles Nigerian use now. So what I'm going to do next is for me to come down here and put emojis. Now these emojis are going to show you that for you to get more details, you have to read at the comment section. You're going to see those emojis right there. Like I said earlier, you have to choose your niche. It might not be on finance, it might be on sports, it might be education, it might be anything based on what you love doing. So choose your niche. People are monetizing text right here on Facebook every single day, and they're actually making good money. Now I'm going to copy everything, paste it on my notepad. And the reason why I have to paste it on my notepad, number one, so that you can make it clean and you can edit it. So I'm going to copy everything right here, paste it on my notepad. Then from there, after I paste it on my notepad, then I pick out the parts I want, then I put it in the comment section. I just finished posting the first one. I just posted it now. I already have 2 likes on this particular post, which means this post can perform more better. This is what you do. You can do this method on any niche right here, and you use this method to make more money for yourself. I've seen a lot of text with 12,000 likes, 20,000 likes, 50,000 likes. So if you have more likes, more reach, the more reach you have, the more Facebook actually pays you, right? So this is all what you do here. It's as simple as ABC. You can use this method to get more reach, more views, so that you can monetize your page. So as I promised earlier, I want to show you guys how much Facebook actually paid me for my 2 most performing posts right here on one of my pages. So my first viral post right here, guess how much this post paid me? First of all, this post have over 80,000 interaction. Over you can see the reaction, 73,000 reaction. This is massive, with over 4.3 million views. This is a post, right? And guess how much they paid me? Just 69 cents on this particular post. This is actually funny. So let's check the other post. So the second viral post right here that I have on my page gave me 2.5 million views with just 22,000 interactions. And you can see this post paid me $3.9 right here in last week. You can see this is actually amazing. So this shows that it's not all about the views you have. So you might have more views and still not make more money. It's just all about, it's not even all about the engagement, because the other interaction is 80,000. This one is just 22,000. The other reach is more than this particular one. But it's actually shocking that this post made over $3.90, over almost $4. But the other post got only 69 cents. So this is actually shocking. There are posts that have less views that even have more money than this. There are posts that have more views that even have less money than this. So it's actually not stable. The post that actually paid me more money is focused in Nigeria. The post that paid me less money is an international reach, but I don't even know why international reach gave less money, but Nigerian based reach right here even gave more money. So I really don't know why it's like that. This is how much Facebook paid me, and this is how you can use ChatGPT and Facebook posts to boost your engagement, boost your reach, and also possibly make more money if you're consistent enough. Are you going to use this method on your next Facebook post? Just share your opinion in the comment section, guys. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Do have a lovely day, and bye for now.